Whether it's music videos, lectures, silly stunts, or just funny cats, this online phenomenon is increasingly ruling our lives. The billions of videos now on YouTube, uploaded by everyone from homemakers to multinational corporations, and almost everything in between. Being a full-time YouTuber is now among the highest-paying jobs in the world. We have gone through the list of hundreds of highest-earning YouTubers in the current time. Let's quickly move to the list of the top 10 richest YouTubers in the world in 2022. Number 1 is Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, is an American YouTube personality. Mr. Beast is known for his creative content, often involving challenges, daring feats, or stunts. His main YouTube channel, Mr. Beast, is the 5th most subscribed channel on YouTube. He has even been featured on television shows like The Ellen DeGeneres Show and Good Morning America. As of November 2022, Jimmy Donaldson's net worth is estimated to be $25 million. He is reportedly one of the highest-paid YouTubers in the world. In 2020, he earned $24 million from his YouTube channel videos, merchandise sales, ad revenue, and sponsorships with reputable brands, such as Electronic Arts and Microsoft. If you are looking for an entertaining YouTuber, Mr. Beast is worth checking out. Number 2 is Jake Paul, who is an American social media personality and professional boxer. Jake Paul has been known for his hilarious pranks and stunts, which has contributed to making his YouTube channel's views in millions. However, some people are concerned about his behavior, as he has been known to be reckless and careless with his actions. Nevertheless, Jake Paul is one of the world's richest YouTuber, having over 20 million subscribers. He was one of YouTube's most famous names until his brother Logan posted a December 2017 video filmed in a Japanese forest grimly famous as a suicide spot. His fans didn't enjoy it, but he seems to be back on top now. His net worth is around $21 million.
On set of
Number 3 is Markiplier, who is a successful gamer, comedian and one of the richest YouTubers. He is best known for his video game series Five Nights at Freddy's and Satisfaction City. He has raised over $2 million for charities such as the American Cancer Society and the Make-A-Wish Foundation. In addition to his gaming content, he also runs a successful web series called Drunk Minecraft. In 2012, this Canadian comedy actor started out doing sketch comedies but then moved to other forms, such as vlogging. Number 4 is Rit and Link. Rit and Link are 2 American YouTubers, businessmen, and comedians. They are best known for running their YouTube channel Good Mythical Morning, with over 29 million subscribers and over 5 billion views. The 2 friends from North Carolina met in 1st grade and have been besties ever since. To commemorate this meeting, they created a documentary about it called Looking for Miss Locklear, which became one of the most popular YouTube videos on their channel to date. Their combined net worth is around $32 a million. Another initiative is their Mythical Accelerator Fund, through which they intend to invest $5 million in other YouTubers. Number 5 is Unspeakable. Using the popularity of Minecraft, a popular video game, Nathan Graham built his YouTube channel. On YouTube, he is known as Unspeakable. He runs a total of 4 channels and a combined subscriber count of over 20 million. Apart from playing Minecraft, he makes videos doing silly challenges and funny stunts. He also does giveaways on a regular basis. Unspeakable income is estimated to be around $28.5 million. He recently became rich because of his deal with Spotter. According to this deal, Spotter owns the video catalog of Nathan's channel and was paid a hefty amount to him in return. They will get to license future videos of Nathan along with the existing ones. It's the end for now. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.